Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO A15 and today I will show you camera overview, all modes and all features that you can find in camera in the smartphone. So but first let's open the camera, and as you can see what we can find here from the modes. There we got the video mode. We can use in the video mode the normal lens, the wide lens, the telephoto lens to zoom in, just like that, and you can maximum zoom to the 5x time. You can also apply filters in this mode, as you can see. Let's just, for example, this one. Okay, and basically that's all. You can also use the flashlight as a normal. Here we got the photo mode, and the same for the lenses, like on the video mode. We can also apply filters. We can make more natural colors, I think. And there we got the HDR. We can go for to turn it on or automatic or just turn it off. And we can also activate flashlight. And here we got also the beauty mode and the portrait mode. It's almost the same like the photo. And here we can also apply those filters. And here we got some kind of the bokeh that we can set up. When we go for the more, we can find the macro mode. So we have to keep holding our object very close to the lens, and it looks like that. And also we can apply filters and use flashlight. We got here also the pro mode, so we can change ISO, shutter speed, white balance, AF and EV. And also we can change lens, just like that. When we go back, oh sorry guys, I just misclick. When you go back and go for the other modes, we got the panorama mode, so we can take a lot of objects to one photo, and the time lapse. So we can also change lenses here. And right now let's move to the settings. So when you tap on the right upper corner, as you can see, we can activate the timer on the photos. For example, when you go for the 3 seconds and click shutter, after a few seconds photo will be taken. And we got also here the aspect ratio, so we can quickly change it. And right now let's move for the settings. Here we can change the volume button function from volume, shutter to zoom. We get also the fingerprint shutting, so when you enable and then when we press the fingerprint sensor, take a look, it will take photo. We got also shutter sound, location on the photos. We can enable or disable mirror effect. We can touch our camera to take a photo. There we got the grid lines, watermarks that we can customize, add phone model and add the mark, and we can restore defaults. And basically that's all. So that's how the camera looks in the smartphone. There we get all modes and all features that you can find here. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.